We've been looking at the relationship between speed, distance and time, and so far we've seen that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. We've also seen that speed is equal to distance divided by time, and so today we'll be looking at the third of these relationships, which is the time and how to calculate time. Our basic skill for today is I can calculate the time taken for a journey given the distance travelled and the average speed of the journey. And as an extension to that, I want you to be able to convert the time into hours and minutes. So our final relationship between time, distance and speed is time is equal to distance divided by speed, and we can shorten that down to T equals D over S. And I want you to record that formula down in your notes because that's what we're going to be using in today's lesson. So your first question, it's a nice easy one for you. A car travels for 160 miles at an average speed of 40 miles per hour. I want you to tell me how long the journey was. Okay, so pause the video and I want to see if you can work that one out for me now. So to work this one out, we just write down our formula, which is time equals distance over speed. We substitute in the values, so we know that time is 160 miles divided by 40 miles per hour, and we know that 160 divided by 40 is 4, and the units are hours, so the answer is 4 hours. Now in question number 2, our car travels at an average speed of 40 miles an hour for 100 miles this time. So I want you to again pause the video and see if you can work out how long the journey is and make sure you get your answer in hours and minutes. We work this one out in exactly the same way as previously. So we write down our formula to start with. Time equals distance divided by speed. Then we substitute in our values. So we know that time is equal to 100 miles divided by 40 miles per hour. And if you work that out, you'll find that the time is 2.5 hours. But we're looking to convert that now into hours and minutes. So to convert this into hours and minutes, well, we know we've got 2 whole hours and here we have 0.5 hours. Now you should have spotted that 0.5 hours is the same as half an hour, which is 30 minutes. So we have a grand total of 2 hours and 30 minutes. So now our car travels at an average speed of 30 miles per hour for 108 miles. How long was the journey? And I want you to convert that into hours and minutes again. So as usual, we write down our formula. We have time is distance divided by speed. We know that our distance is 108 miles. We know our speed is 30 miles per hour. So we do 108 divided by 30 and that gives us 3.6 hours. Okay, so what we do then, we know that's 3 whole hours, and we have 0.6 of an hour here. So if we want to convert 0.6 of an hour into minutes, we remember that there are 60 minutes in every hour, so it's 0.6 of 60, and we write that as 0.6 multiplied by 60 minutes. So we find that gives us 3 hours and 36 minutes.